Hello and welcome to episode 32 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. We are going over the brand new driveway today. Finally got it finished. Everything is done. It was a bit of a process. There are a couple of wet spots here. It has been a week since the actual driveway was poured. So we technically, I guess we could park on it, but we're not doing it just yet because there are some wet spots, I think. And here it is. So we've got this little parking pad over here. I think it's supposed to hold 2 cars. It looks to me like it might be a little bit of a tight fit, but it should work. It's 20 feet wide. There's our little sidewalk going up to the front porch, and here it extends. So it starts narrow and then it widens as we come down here. So this is so much better. It is so much better. Then we'll take you down to the little patio area out back. Oh, also we added this little triangle right here because whenever we would walk down to the back, you'd have to do like a zigzag. You go to the side and come to the side, and yeah, so we just add a little triangle, so a little bit of an angle, and that does make more of a difference than you would think. So come out here, and this is our new outdoor space. Oh my gosh. Super excited. We are going to put some ceiling fans and string lights and pot lights and stuff like that up here, so it'll be a really nice area where we can just sit out here and enjoy the water. So we're going to set up a little bit of furniture here this weekend so that we can enjoy it this evening. Maybe have a couple cocktails. Who knows? I think we're going to put the grill over here, but anyway, that's it. So stay tuned for the next updates. We are doing more updates to the inside of the house, and then we'll start working on this landscaping or lack thereof. So we'll see you next time.